I'm going to show you how to enable Smart App Control without having to reset your PC or reinstall Windows. Go to your search bar, search for regedit. It should reveal your registry editor. Right click on here, run as administrator. If you get any notification, click yes. Go to HK local machine, expand it. Go to system, expand it. Go to current control set, expand it. Now go on to control, expand it, and CI, expand it. Go down here to policy. Observe and ensure that you're getting the right path, okay? Now if you go down here, we have verified and reputable policy state. Right click on this one, choose modify. If you look at the value data here on the left side, it says 0. Now we're going to change it to 1. Change the value to 1. Just in case you have 1 as the value already, you can change it to 2. But in my case, I have the value set to 0. So I'm changing it to 1. Okay. Change the value, then click OK. If I reopen the Smart App Control, now the problem is solved. And just in case you don't get this result, you can restart your computer first. And also if you want to disable it, you can actually go back here, modify, change the value back to 0, click OK, and that should disable it. Okay, so that's going to be all for now. See you in the next one. Bye.